Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage IPP print settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to menu, now go to preferences, then network, and then TCP and IP settings. Now here, as you guys can see, we need to go to the IPP print settings, and here we can use IPP printing, and we can also enable to allow IPP printing only with TLS. So we can do something like this, then just click apply, and now those settings are saved. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.